Stop overthinking this type of question. To answer this question, we need to be able to write down the structure of the possible 3-digit numbers that contain only 1 5 in them. Let's do this. So, the first possible structure is if a number has a 5 and then there's another number that's not 5 and another number that's not 5. Right. The next structure is where we have another number and then a 5 in the middle and then another number. Right. And then the last structure is if we have another number, and then a 5 at the end. Because remember, it's 3 digits, only 1 5, and the 5 can only be the first digit, the second digit, or the third digit. Right. Next, we look at how many occurrences of all of these numbers. So here, a number that's going to start with 5, it's always going to have one occurrence because this number is starting with 5. So this structure of numbers is only going to start with 5. So we're only going to have one occurrence of 5. So now, the second digit, there are 9 possible options. The reason being here, technically we have an option of having a number 0 up until 9, but 5 can't be part of those numbers. And numbers 0 to 9, it's 10 numbers. And if we take out 5, because 5 has already been put here, we are left with only 9 numbers. All right, so here we have 9 possibilities. So same here, we can have any other number other than 5, which is 9 possibilities. And then so we multiply all of these possibilities. All right. However, on the first number, remember 500 is not included because we are supposed to count from numbers from 501 up until 999, right? So which means here we will get 9 times 9, which is equals to 81. But because 500 is not included, we're going to have 81 minus 1, which is equals to 80, right? Because 500 is not included in this structure of numbers. Now, the next structure of numbers is whereby there's any other number other than 5, 5 in the middle, and any other number. But now, we are counting from 501 up until 999, right? So, the only number